So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to make Hexbin scatter plot in Power BI. So Hexbin scatter plot is a custom visual for Microsoft Power BI that displays points on top of hexagonal bins. Color saturation for the hex bin shows the density of points within each bins, with darker bins showing more points. So it is similar to the scatter chart, but instead of using bubble size, it relies on color saturation and hex bins to show the value distribution. So for this tutorial, I have made this hex bin scatter plot. This represents profit and sales by subcategory. So as you guys can see, on the x-axis I have profit, on the y-axis I have sales, and these are all my subcategories. So the bins which are darker in color indicates that more subcategories are present inside that bins. So if you see this bin has two subcategories. One is chairs and second one is machines. That's why the color is darker. If you compare with this bin, it has only one subcategory, which is binders. That's why the color is slightly lighter as compared to the this bin. So in this way, one can visualize and get insight from the hex bin scatter plot. Let's see how one can make them. So first of all, it is not a built-in visual, so we have to import it. So in order to import it, we need to go over here, click on these three dots, click on get more visual. Now search for Hexbin and click on add. So it will get added into your visualization pane. Let's see how one can make them. So for that, I will create a new page. I will double click on this Hexbin scatter plot. It got added into my report. Now in details, I will put subcategory. In x-axis, I will put profit. In y-axis, I will put sales. So as you guys can see, we have successfully created a Hexbin scatter plot. So in this way, one can make Hexbin scatter plot in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.